Here's everything we did before departing Manila and arriving in Taiyuan Airport in Taipei, Taiwan. Nabook namin ang aming flight for 8,564 pesos and 18 cents via Cebu Pacific. This includes 20 kilos baggage allowance. Here are the things that we completed before our flight. First is e-travel. You need to complete this at least 72 hours bago yung flight ninyo. Next is Taiwan arrival card. If you will do this online like yung ginawa namin, you need to complete this at least 3 days before your scheduled arrival date. If ever makalimutan nyo, don't worry kasi may mga forms naman na binibigay sa plane before your plane lands sa Taiwan Airport. We also registered to Taiwan the Lucky Land. You need to complete this at least 1 to 7 days before kayo dumating sa Taiwan, and you will have a chance to win 5,000 NTD or around 8,000 pesos. We also booked eSIM via Klook para ma-activate na natin bago pa man tayo dumating sa Taiwan Airport. One of the reasons then why we opted for eSIM dahil close na yung mga Klook booth pagdating natin sa airport in Taipei. We arrive at NAIA Terminal 3 at 6 p.m. or 4 hours before our scheduled flight. Before we check in, we made sure to pay our travel tax first, which is amounting 1,620 pesos per head. Though there is an option for you to pay online, but we opted to pay it here sa airport na mismo. Then we head off dun sa check-in counter to check-in and of course to drop our check-in baggage. Then it's time to proceed to immigration. Inabot kami ng mga 1 hour before we reach the immigration counter. Just a tip na you can monitor the status of the line sa immigration through their Facebook page. Then the next step bago natin ma-reach ang ating assigned gate is ang security check. And since we still have plenty of time, tumambay muna kami dito sa Marhaba Lounge since accepted naman yung card namin dito at wala kaming babayarang extra. Since walang boarding announcement doon sa lounge, we had to monitor our time, and after about 2 hours na pagstay, we headed to our assigned boarding gate. The duration of our flight from NAIA Terminal 3 to Taiwan International Airport Terminal 1 was about 2 hours. And on next video, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano kami nag-withdraw at kung saan kami pumunta to take midnight bus going to Taipei. Thank you for watching.